Have you ever underestimated your fleet's operating budget? If so, you wouldn't be the first. It's a common blind spot in the budget silo. Insufficient funding leads to aging assets. That, in turn, leads to increased repairs and costly downtime, which inevitably leads to the need for catch-up investment. It's a process that erodes the consistency and reliability of your budget, and it puts sustainable long-term savings out of reach. But without meaningful business intelligence, you can't clearly see how aging assets perform over time, and you aren't able to adjust your forecasts based on your actual utilization. So you do the best you can. Unfortunately, that often means making your best guess. But what if you didn't have to guess? What if you could quantify your budget with far more certainty and forecast replacement versus repair 2, 3, or 4 years in advance? And what if you could see how today's replacement decisions will impact both short-term operating expenses and long-term capital needs? That's what Holman is doing right now, giving fleets actionable insights to build a stable budget process so you can avoid year-over-year variances and lay the foundation for long-term value. Remember, your fleet is an investment, and it's time it paid off. Holman has more ways to help you do that than anyone.